Hello, dear founder! You wouldn't be surprised if I say that the blood of any business is a sales. Yeah, the more demand and customers, the more revenue business can generate. That's why today we'll speak not only about sales processes, but also how we can boost them via using modern AI solutions. My name is Nick, I am founder of software development company. Like, subscribe, let's go! The first thing you need to know about sales, it starts with marketing. These days there's a lot of funnels for different businesses. Some of them are automated for 100% and some of them still need human presence. But what is the most important? All funnels have a workflows and some metrics. In the end, we have core metric. Price per contract for B2B businesses and price per customers for B2C business. How to calculate them? Just take all expenses and divide to amount of deals. For example, if you're paying 3k for sales salary, 3k for marketing salary and 4 grand for ads, you have teams that consume 10 grand per month. If this team generate 20 agreements, your price per contract is $500. Why is this number so valuable? Because the task of each entrepreneur is to make it as less as it possible. Imagine that your competitor has the same team, but he replaced a sales guy with AI tools that cost $300. He has a much better price per contract and as a result, an additional 2700 in profit. It leads us to the most significant calculation of this video. Before you start improving, you need to understand what would be improved in numbers. Based on this data, you can also calculate the budget you are ready to spend on innovations. If you see that this instrument could generate 30 deals instead of 20 with similar costs, it's an additional 60k in profit per year. So it's worth to investing 60k to create such a tool and return investments in 1 year, right? But what to do if you don't know what exactly could help your marketing and sales department, especially in a modern world where new tools and AI are released every week? Well, we call it discovery phase. It's an R&D process where our team of AI experts dive deep into sales and marketing processes of the customer and define weak gaps in the workflow. During this process, the technical team will have Q&A sessions with the main stakeholders. In the end, you will see not only generated ideas, but also a roadmap of implementation, architecture, prototypes, and possible outcomes. If we speak about price of the such service, it varies, depends on your business processes amount. The more you have, the expensive it could be. Market benchmark starts from $50 per hour. I would say that for small teams it's around 50 hours, for mid-sized businesses around 100 and for big guys more than 200. Okay, and can I skip it? Yes, but only and only if you have tech guys in your company. In this case, you already know what you need and you just need additional hands in software development. Otherwise, skipping discovery phase would lead to high amount of risk and as a result losing time and money. Okay, we defined what we need to develop. Next stage, start development process. Generally, there is nothing complex. You just need to hire a good team, divide the scope of work into sprints and milestones, track the process and pray that nothing extraordinary would happen. For example, your developer wouldn't leave a project in the middle because he was hired by another company, or that code developers have been written is bullshit. So if you or your people don't have the expertise to handle all these risks, again, just hire a trustworthy tech vendor. Price for such services might vary again. Simple systems cost few $1,000s, huge integrations could cost hundreds, but no worries, everything would be defined on discovery phase before you signing any contract. After everything has been developed, there is support and maintenance. We need for additional stability. Trust me, it's not funny when you lose all marketing budget cause servers billing wasn't accepted. The price for this might vary again, but I would say from few hundreds to few thousands. Yeah, all this stuff sounds complicated and you definitely have a question. Why I should move this way? Where is a reason that I should integrate AI in my sales processes? There is a wonderful case from US financial industry. One bank integrates AI for sourcing leads, a tool called Salesforce Einstein. Result: 300% boost of MQL amounts, 25% boost in closing deals. So the bank increased revenue by 25% thanks to one AI implementation. Sounds cool? Do you think it's affordable only for big guys? Another case, company called Retail Plus. They have around 25 million annual revenue. Implementation AI to score browsing, purchasing and behavior data allowed them to increase the amount of sales by 25% and decrease customer acquisition cost by 30%. And what about our experience? Because we are a software development company. We also made it for one of our clients. It was B2B F&I industry. Simple N10 integration allowed them to decrease amount of time their team spent on researching qualified lead by almost 50%. Result in numbers: saving 15K per month. One more thing you need to know. Is it possible to integrate with the current infrastructure? Your CRM or ERP systems should have definitely some APIs. Even if you store data in Google spreadsheets, it could be integrated. So there is no barriers. Experienced devs could work with any type of existing infrastructure. Final question you should have: is it worth? Yes, but take in mind important thing. Integration of AI, it's like building a startup, but inside your organization. You should definitely believe in idea and have strong reasons why you need it. And remember about risks. There is always a chance that AI wouldn't perform as you think, because it's still raw technology and sometimes it's produced really weird things. But trust me, it's really worth, because it could bring significant impact to your business and scale your revenue very fast. Don't forget that if you need assistance in such implementations, you can book a call via link below. It was your trustable Chief Executive Officer. We'll see you.